welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to organize my linen closet. And it's been a long time since I've organized it, so I know it needs some major work. I do have it organized somewhat, but everything is probably old and needs to be thrown away, or there's probably some stuff I need to send off to Goodwill as well. So we're going to organize it, and I also am planning on using the same bins, but I'm going to add a few different ones to try to change it up a little bit, make it easy for everybody to grab what they are looking for, just so they don't have to ask me all the time where something is. So if everything's labeled, it makes it a lot easier for them to just go in there and grab it themselves. So we're gonna do that. And also I decided I'm just gonna get rid of all my old towels and buy new, so it's all new and fresh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you, and don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified when I do post a new video. So enough talking, let's go ahead and start this organizing. Okay guys, so here's my closet at the moment. I used to have this all organized, but lately I've let it go and it just got out of control. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything from the closet. And one thing that you want to make sure you do is not take everything out of the bins at once. This makes it very overwhelming and it will just make you not want to do it. So what I like to do is just one bin at a time. That way it's a lot easier for me to decide if I want to keep it or I want to get rid of it. And also these white bins are from the Dollar Tree, and I do plan on using these still because they are the perfect size and I love the white color. It just makes it look so fresh and it's perfect for a linen closet. So I'm going to go through my hand towels and decide which ones I want to keep and which ones I don't. And the ones that I decided not to keep, I'm going to use these for rags around the house. So now I'm going to work on my extra bin, and I decided, since I have so many toothbrushes and toothpaste, to put them in a shoe container of its own, so if anybody needs any of these items, they know exactly where to find it. And the reason I decided to put them in their own bin is because I have so many of them and I always buy them when I get a great deal. I also highly recommend labeling your containers so it's easy for everybody to read what's inside of the containers, so they're not going through everything trying to find one little thing that they're looking for. So I'm going to use another shoe container for all my bandages and gauze, things like that, in case we need them. They're right there ready to go. So now it's time to put everything back inside the shelves. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to put everything, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to try to stick a little bit close to what I had it because I did like the way it was. It just looked really nice. So I'm going to just play around and see where I want everything and how easy it'll be for like kids to grab. So especially things that I want them to grab on their own, I plan on putting those on the lower shelves so it's a lot easier for them. So another thing I like to do is I take my Bath & Body Works candles when I am done, put them in the freezer overnight, and then the next day I just kind of break up the wax and they come right out, and I use them highly for cotton balls, Q-tips. They look very nice in the bathrooms. And in this container here I am putting all my extra shampoos, soaps, things like that. And I'm putting those up high since I don't use those on a daily basis. And another thing I love to do is my towels. I love rolling them. It just looks so much more luxurious and clean and nice. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation, and I hope you guys find this very helpful in figuring out how to organize. So please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.